I'm back. Same day, different project. I making a little, well, was looking through a magazine the other day and saw a little hand vise. So, thought that might be kind of a cool little project. And wherever, oh, it's in my pocket. I guess I was gonna sort of make it off this sort of like it's a vice stop they made a long time ago. Basically, it would make it, I mean, same idea. Just be like a little hand vise with brass jaws. So I went and bought some brass today, 1/2 inch thick, 2 inches wide, and I think it's 5 inches this way. You can see the profile there a little bit. This is 400 thou. That's where I'm going to have my little vise pins. And, you know, have a good nap though. Hey, Lil. Finally woke up, huh, Lily? She's a good girl. Right, Lil? Okay, though. Go lay down again, though. I don't want you to get slivers on your feet. Go lay down. There. Right here. Good girl, Lil. Lay down. I don't want her over here. She'll get slivers. Anyways, just sort of loosely marked it there. I can't cut very straight with the hand bandsaw, so I'm just going to throw a 1/8 inch end mill in there and cut that in half. Well, I should throw the edge finder in. I didn't really feel like it. Probably be a little better, but waiting for the dicum to dry here. Just got my caliper set at pretty close to 2.5. I'm going to do a mark once it dries. That side, and then I'll just eyeball it close enough. Figure if I get my jaws maybe 2 3/8-ish, 2.4 will be pretty good. And I'll see what it looks like from there. If it looks kind of goofy, like out of scale or proportion, I don't know. I'll just see how it looks. Anyways, while I was waiting for the dicum to dry, put a couple things away. Got these YG Aluma Power YG. They work pretty good too. Well, it's a 3/8 one. I think it was about $19. I don't know. I was pretty impressed with it. Made for aluminum, and it actually cuts brass pretty good. Anyways, I think it should be dry now. Mark that, and then be back shortly. There. I was supposed to run that 3/8 tool at like 10 grand. This only goes to, I have it at 2,500. I don't know, it seems to work. It's been lasting a long time. But, alright, here we go. I don't know how easy this is going to be to crank, and probably ain't going to work. But I'll probably just be back when it's done, or half done. I'll show you. Yeah, it's working pretty well. Got not too much left. I think about an 1/8 inch or something. Yeah, well, there's not much left anyways. Kind of sticking out of the vise kind of far, but I'm cutting pretty close to the vise, so I mean, you wouldn't probably want to have it like that and be cutting out here would be kind of a dumb idea. But if I had a bandsaw, I probably could cut straight on the bandsaw over there. But that ain't gonna happen at this point. Plus I need a new blade anyways, so. I was putting this in there and I just remembered I had a vise stop. So that's pretty good time to use it, I guess. Going to make this, I'm gonna go 2.4. Or wait, 2.3. It's 2.3. Yeah. That'll work. 2.3. So take about 100 thou off roughly. Oops. But I could probably use a tripod, be a little more better. There. Stop worked pretty good. It's within a thou of over a length, so they're pretty much matched sets. Because I did everything together and sawed it in half, or milled it in half. This way, I guess. Put a 70,000 step on there. And I'm going to have the innards below that, so it'll be, you can drop whatever he wants in there. Don't have any, I don't think I have any pins to make those probably. Although some drill rod would probably be nice. Yeah. I'll worry about that later. But I gotta get the kids from daycare now. I don't know when I'll be back out. But I'll probably have a little quick video when this is finished, or maybe drilling holes, we'll see. Might, I don't know how silly that looks. I might end up taking a little bit off this. I'll see how it clamps, if it, because that'll be reamed. Well, it should be fairly, because these are almost 1/2 inch thick at the bottom. So it shouldn't move too much when somebody clamps it. If it does, I'll mill this down a little bit so it doesn't pull out as much. But I don't know what you'd really clamping it super hard, just for a little hand vise. But yeah, turning out pretty good so far. From that, could have probably found some smaller stock since most of it's on the ground. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hey Lil, what do you think? Oh, should we go get the kids? She's had enough. Thanks for watching.